Welcome to part 5 from the top most important general knowledge. Let's start with Question 1. The popular TV program Satyameva Jayate is associated with which names? Amir Khan. Question 2. Tricolor was adopted as the national flag on 22nd July 1947. Question 3. How many fundamental duties are included in Indian Constitution? 11. Question 4. Which type of forest belt supplies most of the world's requirement of newsprint? Coniferous forest. Question 5. The right to public office is a civil right. Question 6. Which philosophers said, man is born free but everywhere he is in chains? Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Question 7. Who is the author of A Passage to India? E. M. Forster. Question 8. Bile secreted by the liver gets stored in the gall bladder. Question 9. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President of India. Question 10. Genetic mutation occurs in DNA. Question 11. Dates which is observed as the Garo Labour Corps Day? 16th July. Question 12. When did Meghalaya form its first coalition government? 1978. Question 13. Which language belongs to Austric group? Khasi. Question 14. The Saka era commenced in 78 AD. Question 15. Varahami Hira was an ancient astronomer. Question 16. The Indian to beat the computers in mathematical wizardry is Shakuntala Devi. Question 17. Professor Amartya Sen is famous in which fields? Economics. Question 18. Who was known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 19. Green Revolution in India has so far been successful in case of wheat. Question 20. Ustad Ali Akbar Khan was a renowned player of Sarod. Question 21. Bird flu affects poultry. Question 22. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Param Veer Chakra. Question 23. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature was Rabindranath Tagore. Question 24. Brown waterfalls are situated in New Zealand. Question 25. The grasslands in Canada are known as prairies. Question 26. The landmass of which continents is the least? Australia. Question 27. The humidity of the air depends upon temperature. Question 28. The Indian Institute of Science is located at Bangalore. Question 29. The world-famous Khajuraho sculptures are located in Madhya Pradesh. Question 30. Which festivals is celebrated on Prophet Muhammad's birthday? Milad. Question 31. Which river originates at Amarkantak? Narmada. Question 32. Which day is celebrated as World's Environment Day? 5th June. Question 33. The pH of lemon is expected to be less than 7. Question 34. Which services is provided by the post offices in India? Sale of stamps. Question 35. Who was admired as tempestuous Hindu in 1883 in the World Parliament of Religious in Chicago? Swami Vivekananda. Question 36. The Indian National Congress passed Quit India resolution at Bombay Session, 1942. Question 37. Subhash Chandra Bose became the Supreme Commander of Indian National Army in 1943. Question 38. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with special provisions to SCs, STs, OBCs and Anglo-Indians? Part 16, Article 330-342. Question 39. The states of Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya were formed in 1972. Question 40. Development expenditure of the central government does not include defense expenditure. Question 41. ICICI is the name of a financial institution. Question 42. Indian state known as garden spice is Kerala. Question 43. When Alexander the Great invaded India, the dynasty which was ruling over entire North India was Nanda dynasty. Question 44. The Indian ruler who spoke directly to the people through his inscriptions was Ashoka the Great. Question 45. The tree which sends down roots from its branches to the soil is known as banyan tree. Question 46. Electric bulb filament is made of tungsten. Question 47. Light year is a unit of distance. Question 48. OS, computer abbreviation usually means operating system. Question 49. In which year did Milkha Singh win the first national title in the 400 meters race? 1957. Question 50. Which player has scored the most runs in a single test innings? Brian Lara. Question 51. Which scientist discovered the radioactive element radium? Marie Curie. Question 52. What invention caused many deaths while testing it? Parachute. Question 53. Who invented the smallpox vaccine? Edward Jenner. Question 54. The lead character in the film, The Bandit Queen, has been played by Seema Biswas. Question 55. The famous book Anandamath was authored by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question 56. The program Gyan Vani is broadcast by Zee TV. Question 57. Who is the author of the book My Experiments with Truth? Mahatma Gandhi. Question 58. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York is the world's largest railway station. Question 59. Entomology is the science that studies insects. Question 60. Garrampani Sanctuary is located at Diffi, Assam. Question 61. The ozone layer restricts ultraviolet radiation. Question 62. The aim of the intensified mission Indradhanush. To reach each and every child up to 5 years of age and all those pregnant women who have been left uncovered. Question 63. Ecology deals with relation between organisms and their environment. Question 64. The unlawful detention of a person is questioned by the writ of habeas corpus. Question 65. Who released the report, Money Laundering and the Illegal Wildlife Trade? The Financial Action Task Force. Question 66. Who wrote the epic poem, Shahnama? Abu al-Qasim Firdausi. Question 67. Nirvik scheme has been launched for easing the lending process and enhance loan availability for exporters. Question 68. Decent work and economic growth is the goal of which Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs? Goal 8. Question 69. What are elephant bonds in India? Unearth black money. Question 70. Apathanis are the tribes found in Arunachal Pradesh.